take us on how we can show Unity ads in our rewarded earning app. So if you're using rewarded earning app, according to Unity, it's best you use rewarded ads compared to interstitial because it's the highest paying ads in Unity. So I'll show us how we can integrate this in Sketchware Pro using the latest SDK. As you all know, if you use SDK less than this, it has issues with Play Store. So I've taken my time to compile the latest library and I've installed it in Sketchware Pro, and I'll show us how we can use it. So if we are using it in Sketchware, the library is a 5-in-1 library. It's a one library containing inner library. So if you are using Android Studio, you use it as just one library, but because Sketchware Pro doesn't have support for inner libraries, you have to use it as 5 libraries. So I've checked the libraries I need. Then we are going to add permission. To add permission, we do this and click this. We click here. See the 3 permissions I've added. So if you're adding it to your project, you add them like this. The three of them. You add the 3 projects and click save. So the next thing we're going to do to add the library to our project, we need to add the manifest. With that being added, we are ready to go. Library has been added to our project. Next thing, we're going to add our button. This is our button. To show the ads, or you can say button, view click, test view click. It depends on your logic. So I created a more block, an empty more block, a void more block rather. So I'm going to add a show and load listener. So when ad fails to show, we can toast this. If we don't want to toast this, we can add this. It will not toast. Same apply for the show. In case there is error when it tries to show, if the ad is not ready, it will toast these errors. If you don't want to toast it, we add 2/ before the codes. So that is for the listeners. That is events that happen. So we're listing for events in our app. When it fails to load, when it has been loaded, when it has been clicked, when it has been clicked, or when it has been skipped. We can also know that everything is in that listener. You can see all this at the end of the project. So we need to import this class. So I've imported the class, the Unity class, and methods. So now I want to create. First thing we need to do is we need to initialize the SDK. So we are going to initialize the SDK. So when the SDK has been initialized, we are going to load the ad. This code is for loading the ads. If you don't want to load the ad here, you can carry this code. You can carry this code and put it anywhere you want it to load. But for this tutorial, I'm going to load when it has initialized completely. So that is it. The last and final thing is we have to show the ads to the users. So we are going to show the ads. So we show the ads here. So you change rewarded Android. This is the ad unit, or you can call it the placement ID. Main activity.this. You can change it to your activity name.this. So since my activity name is main activity, see here my activity name is main activity. So I changed it to main activity.this. If your activity name is home activity, you change it to home activity.this. It depends on your activity name. Using another activity name for a different activity will result into enclosing type error. So this is my game ID. Since that is my game ID, then this is my placement ID when loading the ads. My placement ID here. So now we can run our app. You can see ads is ready. So we can show the ads because it's ready. So this is the ads. ID Unity ads. So if you want to know when the ad is ready, just like in app, when it's ready, what I did was set text ad is ready. What we have to do is come to our on ads loaded. So when it has loaded, we can set a text. This is when ads is already loaded. I mean that downloaded the ads to show. We can do, see my button name is button 1, so I can do button 1 dot set text ads is ready. So you want to notify the user when ads is ready. If it's an any app that they must click on only when ads is ready, so you can show them ads is ready here. Ads is ready. So like I said, if you want to know if the user skip the ads, if the user skip the ad, there is it. If they watch the ad complete, then you can say here, you can give them bonus. They watched ads was completely watched without skipping. But when they skipped it, then this happens. Users skipped ads, so you can decide to reward them halfway or even not to reward them. So that is all. You can see the tutorial is not even a long one. Just what even took my time was explaining it. Thanks for watching this video. Please support by subscribing and liking this video. You can get the project available on Sketchly project store. This Sketchly project store. You can get it. Sorry, I don't have it installed now. So you can get it. I'll provide the project link in the video description. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share.